Bitcoin has been falling in the short term, but do not get fooled right now, because I do still think that Bitcoin is about to create a massive market reversal, because we are seeing many signals that are all pointing in towards the same direction, that yes indeed, we are about to see another move towards the upside. So we need to be talking about that exactly. So can we once again push up the likes back above the 150 likes? That will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look in towards that short term. And yes, in that short term, Bitcoin has been kind of cooling off after getting back above this level of support. And yes, in that short term, Bitcoin is just very boring. But actually right now should be the time to be paying attention and to be preparing yourself, because it will not be boring forever. And during the times when Bitcoin is going to be boring, that should actually be the time to be having a deeper look into what the Bitcoin charts and prepare for that next massive move, because volatility for sure is about to return and Bitcoin is creating this falling wedge pattern right now in the short term. This is going to be a bullish biased reversal pattern. On top of that, Bitcoin is right now trading on a massive level of support, and guys, I can already tell you, we have so many confluencing signals that are all going to be pointing in towards the same direction, and that is why I'm saying do not get fooled with this little short Bitcoin dump towards the downside in that short term, because inevitably I think that we are going to be seeing another move towards the upside getting created, and I want you to be prepared. At least I am myself prepared for this next Bitcoin move, and I will be explaining exactly why. I do still think that we are going to be seeing another move towards the upside, because yes, it is looking like Bitcoin does not have a lot of momentum. We have of course been seeing this massive breakout, but still Bitcoin has been continuously dumping towards the downside and not really has been seeing this massive bounce. But well, because of this Bitcoin falling wedge right now, I do still definitely think that we could still see this Bitcoin bounce. On top of that, we are seeing many more signals. Of course, we are also seeing this falling wedge pattern in that longer time frame already breaking out right now exactly as well, retesting it. A bounce, in my opinion, is going to be inevitable whenever we are going to be seeing this one breaking out towards the upside. On top of that, because of this dump towards the downside, we can also be seeing that Bitcoin has been forming this inverse head and shoulders pattern, and I've been telling you for the last couple of days that Bitcoin could be in that short term be seeing a little bit more of a dump towards the downside in order for us to actually form this right shoulder. And right now exactly we are forming an equal right shoulder as of our left shoulder. So yes, once again, if we are going to be bouncing off from this level, and if we are going to be seeing this breakout towards the upside, well, in that case we are just going to be confirming our right shoulder, and then if we are going to be seeing this breakout above this level of resistance, well, we are going to be exploding towards the upside, in my opinion. Now on top of that, on that Bitcoin RSI indicator, we can already be seeing that we are breaking above our RSI downtrend. And in the previous two instances, whenever this happened, well, we exploded already towards the upside, initiated our next leg towards the upside. Right now, we are doing the same exact thing. We are even retesting this breakout right now. So if we are indeed going to be seeing this short-term little breakout towards the upside, that could once again be a catalyst for a way bigger move that is about to come. Now, on top of that, also majority of that Bitcoin liquidity is sitting at the top side, and we do know that Bitcoin tends to move towards a place where the majority of the liquidity is sitting at. Right now, most definitely, it's sitting at the top side. On top of that, majority of the Bitcoin traders are right now trying to be shorting the market during this bullish consolidation, because yes, Bitcoin is still forming some kind of a bull flag pattern, while majority of the Bitcoin traders are opening up short positions and closing long positions. So the traders are flipping bearish over here during a bullish consolidation, and usually, well, the majority of the Bitcoin traders are wrong in market. So that has got me thinking that probably we are indeed going to be seeing this breakout towards the upside eventually. And maybe this is not about to happen today, maybe not by next week, but I do think that eventually we are going to be initiating that next leg towards the upside. Okay, and that is exactly where I'm preparing for that next leg towards the upside that eventually will be getting initiated. Now, on top of that, I do already think that the Bitcoin bottom is in right here. I do not think that we are going to be dumping even lower. It is going to be very likely, extremely likely, that we are going to be holding this level of support, in my opinion, because what we can be seeing is that exactly at this bottom of this standard correction from this cycle, we can be seeing that the short-term holders have capitulated at the bottom. And usually whenever that happens, well, that is indeed going to be indicating that bottom. And right now on top of that, we have seen that standard correction. It is just going to be very likely that yes, indeed, the bottom is in over here. On top of that, seeing this bullish divergence for Bitcoin and a very bullish weekly candle, well, I am just accumulating and buying over here. I'm taking every single opportunity the market gives me right now. And if you are going to be getting interested in buying the dip yourself, make sure to check out that first link down below, because you can right now be claiming this $2,000 trade. On top of that, a $40,000 deposit bonus. So make sure to check out that first link down below, sign up over on Bybit and claim your free bonuses, which you can literally deploy into the market right now for free. Now, if Bybit is not going to be available in your country, make sure to check out either Femex or Deepcoin. Right now, I also have CoinW, so also make sure to check out that link down below. Now, anyways, what is about to be next, you do not want to be missing out. Of course, I am saying it literally every single day, but it is just going to be so super important to not miss out on this next Bitcoin move. Now, altcoins are still absolutely exploding towards the upside. Render has been seeing a massive pump yesterday because it was showed in an official Apple event. As you can be seeing right over here, you can be seeing the Render logo at the top left corner. Render is being used in Apple products, so that is why I do think that Render is about to be headed much higher from off these levels. And in general, all altcoins are about to be sent so much higher from off this level. The chart for all of the altcoins is looking very good. Still, this Bitcoin bull market is just getting started because we are only printing blue dots. We are not close towards these yellow or red dots just yet. So it is still looking very good. You can pause this video and have a look for yourself. Now, anyways, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.